What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. I got some stash ads for you, and I'll give you a quick update on the Ford Coupe. So let's go ahead and get into it. First up, for a stash ad, we got a 29 Model A Roadster 2-in-1 kit from Revel. Still wrapped in the plastic. So you get two different engine combos you can build there. Get a few different parts. Steering wheel. Looks like maybe a different shifter. Not too sure. I know a lot of people have already built this kit on YouTube, but I was just now getting my hands on it. As you see, you can get this kit at Hobby Lobby, but that's not where I got it. So let's go ahead and get into the next kit. So the next kit is the Cobra Chopper from MPC's Trick Trike series, where there's a line of 6 trikes. So we built this already before, but this time I wanted to do something a little bit different and maybe try to do a custom trike without the Cobras. I'll go ahead and show you one that I've already built. So right here is the Cobra Chopper, done in Wicked Green. I go into more detail in how I painted it and everything. There is a build video of this, so I'll probably just link it at the end of this video. If you guys want to check it out, just click on it. It'll be suggested to you at the end. The next kit we got is the Monogram 4-star plastic kit, all plastic midget racer. Authentic true scale is what it says on the box, but it doesn't give you an actual scale. This kit originally came out in 1956, and this is the 1995 reissue of this kit. This kit has also been reissued from Atlantis with the extended decal sheet. But the kit is still the same. So here we have the body. The body is a 2-piece body, and we have a 2-piece figure and the kit as well. You can kind of see them in there. So here is the instructions. Monogram midget racer plastic kit. Clear glass. Got to cut our own windshield out. And then here's the decals. 2 big 7s and 1 little 7. And Monogram special. So I believe on the Atlantis kit it says Midget special instead of Monogram, but I'll be posting some pictures up of that at the end. So a cool thing about this Monogram midget racer is I actually have this bagged one here as well. Just does not have the figure, so I'm not sure if this is the original or if this is another 1995 re-release. So there's all the miscellaneous parts all off the tree, but it is all here. Like I said, minus the figure. But here's a better look at the 2-piece body. Just goes together like so. There is little tabs where they go into the corresponding little things there. Like I said, I'm not sure if this is the original or 1995, but I do have this instruction sheet, which I do believe is an original. As you see, it's a lot different. And it even talks about some Kellogg promotion. It says order other scale model kits while supplies last, and it says they're only 50 cents. So it's definitely really cool. So there they are telling you to send it. So I do believe these instructions to be original from the original kit from 1956. But if you know, let me know in the comments. I'm just assuming off of what I'm seeing. Here's a look at the 2023 re-release of the Midget Racer from Atlantis. As you see, they changed the box art a little bit. And here's some pictures of it built up from the Atlantis website of their re-release. So it seems to be a really nice kit once it's built up. And here's the final shot of it being built up. And now we're going to go into that expanded decal sheet. As you see, we got some new numbers on it, 6 and 8. And then there is some different contingency sponsors that the other Monogram kit did not include. Then you can also see on the decal sheet how it says Midget Special instead of Monogram Special. And last kit we have for the stash ad is the Motorsports Revel Chi-Town Hustler. NHRA official licensed product, Dodge Charger. I did pick this kit up from the last model show of the year in my area, that being the Carbs model show. So I know I've seen a lot of videos of it. So there's definitely a lot of people there videoing it. But here's the instructions. And it definitely has a really cool decal sheet. So definitely really nice. Really like it. All right, so jumping into the Ford Coupe that we're building by Lindberg. Go ahead and sit this over here. So, as you guys know, I did have this top part already glued on to this bottom part, because the last thing I did was did a video on stripping chrome where I stripped these headlights and put them in. It was already glued together like so. I had to unglue it, because in order to get the interior tub in, you have to put the interior tub in through the bottom of the body. Like so. Versus how you normally do it, is you have your body and then you put your interior through there. But this kit's not like that, so that's where I messed up. I didn't pay attention enough to the instructions, so definitely always check your instructions. But because of this part here of like the running boards on the side, it makes it to where you can't get the interior tub in there. So this will be going into primer soon, and I'll be doing a video on that where we shoot the primer. I will be using the Mission Model Paint, so I already have the color picked out for that. I did paint the engine. So I painted it blue to go with the Ford blue vibe. So the only thing I got to do is detail that belt with a Sharpie marker. We still have to put our air filter on there. But I use the Tamiya color rattle can for that. TS15, I know it's hard to see. TS15, there's the code. TS15 blue, it's the color. So that's all I have for you for this one. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out the video, and I'll catch you guys all on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.